Hello guys, welcome to another video tutorials on PHP/Laravel. Today I will be teaching you Laravel routing. Okay, now if you remember from the previous video, the last video, we created a Laravel project called Stud. So right now let's dive into our text editor and then load our Laravel project. Okay, sorry for this is my project I'm working in. So all right, now I'm using Visual Studio. All right, so you can choose to use any other text editor of your choice: Sublime, PHP Storm. Although I have PHP Storm, but then the PHP Storm is kind of slow, so I don't want I don't want it to waste our time. So let's dive in right now and get our previous Laravel project, which is Stud. All right, in my local disk zam htdocs, and I will locate, just in case for beginners, if you don't know how to go about it, you just click right here, local disk, and locate zam, and then we go to htdocs, and of course we'll now locate the project Stud. All right, right here. So click open or select folder, and we are waiting for it to come up. I think it's a bit slow. Alright guys, I've been loaded our Stud Laravel project in our text editor. So I'll just go through some of these important folders that we have right here. And we have the app. This app is one of the most important folders that you'll be working on in this project. And then we have the config database, and we have the public folder where you have your CSS, JavaScript files, and all of that. And then we have the resources where you have the view where all your designs, HTML stuff goes. And then we have the routes. This is where you do all your routing, and so this is where we'll be working on in this video tutorial. All right, so let's just go direct to our web.php. So in this web.php, if you look at our Laravel project, let me launch it so we see what we have. All right, so I'm using a touch browser. Please, you can use Chrome, because like Firefox and others, they don't really allow the kind of routing that we just created, we created from our previous video. All right, so I'll just load this guy. What we have, okay, is Stud. I forgot Stud.div. All right, system is slow, but then what's happening? Is my zam not on? It's on. Okay, now look at this, is what you get. All right, from that current route that we have right now. All right, this welcome. So I'll just explain some of this stuff that we have right here. Like, this is a route. This route is a class, and these two full quotation codes, rather column, rather, beg your pardon, full column is telling us that this get method. It is a static method. All right, and this is telling us that we are currently in our root directory. All right, and then the view here is telling us that we can actually display this stuff welcome on our web page. All right, so with the view method, it will help us to display it on to users rather. All right, so it's just as simple as that. So let us see what this thing is telling us. So just for example, I have something like, okay, let me just type example right here. All right, example, yeah, correct. So I'll just do my 7, Control S. or you can just go to the file. Now you can see I have what error 404 because that route is no longer there. So all I need to do, I have to come right here and then type example, and then I'll have my Laravel.welcome page back. Alright, pretty cool, right? Yes, yes, yes. Like for example, I can have something like, okay, posts admin, rather something like admin slash posts. I can do my 7, Control S, and I'll still come right here and have admin slash posts, and we have the same thing. Alright, so if I still go back right there and take off this and run what I already have right there, let's see what we have. It should give us an error for page not found. Alright, so this is some of these things that you just need to take note. This is Laravel is very powerful. I love Laravel. In fact, it's making my work very easy. Alright, so unlike normal either procedural PHP or object-oriented PHP, okay, if you have to echo something like this now, for example, let me just comment this guy, like this, return hello people. Okay, you know that I have to move this guys because it's now in the root directory. You can say hello people. All right, so just like in our normal PHP, procedural PHP or object oriented, for you to print something like this, you have to create a page and then you need you now echo it. Of course, you can also echo just like this. Instead of this, you can just echo right there. Okay, excuse me. Alright, you can also echo like this and you have the same result. Alright, you can say it. Cool, right? So in fact, it's a very good thing to have you guys here with me. Alright, so in the next video I'm going to continue with the routing. Alright, so we'll see how we can communicate with other parameters in our routing. Alright, so please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and so you can get more on Laravel. Alright, I'm going to take you on a full-blown course. Alright, so don't go anywhere, keep your fingers crossed, and let's continue let's continue this video. Alright, so thank you very much, thank you, and let's see you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit that subscribe button and like, and then also turn on the notifications, and welcome to the notification family. Yeah, see ya.